Kuzuzumbala, Namaste, good morning to all respected online viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online Ayurveda and Yoga workshop, Embassy of India, Thimphu, ICCR's Nehru Wangchur Culture Center. Yoga teacher, I'm KV SSN Murthy here. My sincere prayers to the Almighty to see all the best things to their majesties and the whole Bhutan. So coming to the recitation, we have very good recitation from the Viveka Chudamani, the very greatest saint, Saint Adi Shankara wrote this text. Durlabham trayame vaitat daivanugraha hetukam manushyatvam mumukshatvam mahapurusha samsrayaha. Means it is very difficult to coordinate three things for any human being. That is what? Manushyatvam, being a human birth. Second thing is mumukshatvam, want to go to the spiritual upliftment. So it's a kind of intention towards the spiritual upliftment. So altogether, so association with the greatest gurus, right? Eligible gurus. These three are very tough competition. So we should pray the God that already we have this human birth, and after that we should have mumukshatvam, means spiritual desire, the strong spiritual desire. Then after that, Mahapurusha Samsrayaha. So it is also a kind of a good association with the right masters, right qualified masters. So right, coming to the Ayurveda workshop, this week we have very important segment called sinusitis. So as we know that sinus means it is a stress related disease or a disorder. So like out of 100, 99%, 9 point people having this sinus because of over fear or over stress. Okay, but still we have very good remedies in Ayurveda also. So as we know that if once you will not properly cure your common cold, it may turn to the sinus and sinusitis also. Sinusitis means it's nothing but it's a kind of swollenness inside the natural drainages just around your nostrils, around your eyes, and around your temporal bone. So coming to the actually Ayurveda preparations, the first thing is food. In the evenings, do not take curd, don't take buttermilk, as well as do not take bananas in a day also. If you are suffering with these kind of phlegm related disorders, better to avoid banana for few months. As well as do not mix fruits and milk also, and do not take thick items like fat diet. Don't take fat diet. Meanwhile, if you will be on the liquid fasting, you will be alright in just 1 month. But still, we have in Ayurveda, we have different kind of measurements to encounter to this sinus. One is Nasya Kriya. Nasya Kriya means it's related to the nozzle. It's a kind of smelling. So we have this Tej Pata, it's a kind of biryani leaf, or we are using this leaf in the cooking. But also this leaf equivalently good for your sinus and related disorders also. Very simple thing is, take care while doing this kind of things. So first of all, roll this leaf. In the early morning, sinuses are two types. One is Surya Vartana, one is Chandra Vartana, and third is Ubhaya Vartana. Means Surya Vartana means people will suffer with this sinus from morning to daytime, like from morning 6 o'clock to 2 o'clock. That is Surya Vartana. Chandra Vartana means from evening 2 o'clock to night 9 o'clock or still overnight. Ubhaya Vartana means it's still chronic state. People just have been suffering from this chronic all together that day. But still this is important preparation. Take one lighter and roll this leaf. Alright. See the smoke and try to smell this one. In the early morning, try to smell this kind of things. So still I remember here many people in many homes early morning something they are putting in the cigarettes to make smoke, early morning smoke. That is also a spiritual kind of thing, custom, as well as it's a kind of good health also, especially our inhalations and exhalations directly coordinated with the blood as well as the brain also. So this is very simple Nasya Kriya. So after you are using, please be aware of it, what you will using with this one. Second important thing is what? See, this is what? Ajwain seeds. And this is also kind of Nasya Kriya. Take Ajwain seeds You can fry it or you can take it wet also. So try to mix with put it in a cloth or tissue paper. Alright, whenever you are feeling headaches, just try to inhalation the smell. This is also important, very simple remedy for the people who are having repeated headaches as well as sinus also. This simple, very simple Nasya Kriya. Third thing is also we have Nasya Kriya with the same fight. So take out ginger, the same thing. Now burn this ginger. Somewhat it will give a strange smell. Then try to smoke this one. Just try to smell this one. Alright, this is also early morning preparation between your 6 to 7 o'clock preparation. Then coming to last preparation, garlic. Then here also the same thing. Just try to burn this one. Okay, right. And now try to smell that like 1 or 2 times. Then you will feel somewhat relief from your sinusitis and headaches. So these preparations for today, if once you will start using one preparation, then no need of use second other preparation. Just confirm only one preparation in a day. So today we are seeing Nasya Kriya. Tomorrow we will see like other preparations also. As well as coming to the yoga workshop. So this yoga is not only for the people who are having sinusitis, but this is for all. Okay, then right, coming to the actually sun-related, please remember the people who are having sinusitis, obviously they have heaviness in the head, heaviness in the forehead. So the moment when they will going to forward bend for any region, they will feel lots of headache or somewhat very heaviness in the head. So for that, in the primary while using your medicines also, do not voluntarily or don't be in the forward bends in any kind of exercises or in your daily works. If you want do your forward bend, just bend your knees and do any kind of things. Do not keep your head completely bent down. So coming to the actually sun salutations, then coming to the mantra sadhan, take a long, deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. And mantra chanting and the sloka chanting towards the sun god. It's a very important thing that if you have this kind of sinusitis, avoid sunshine in the early morning. So do your daily workouts or yoga practices in the shade in your houses only. Okay, coming to the mantra sadhan. Om hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham Tattvam pushan apavruno satya dharmaya druschaye. Om hram hrim hrum hraim hraum raha mitra ravi surya bhanu kagapusna hiranya garbhamaricha aditya savitra arka bhaskaraya namaha. Then very slowly open your both the arms forward, lift your both the arms up. Slightly put a back bend for Ardha Chandrasana or Ardha Chakrasana from the Hasta Uttanasana. From there, keep your body straight. Very slowly, carefully bend forward. But the people who are having headaches or lower back pain or the sinusitis, don't keep your body as a forward bend. Then coming to the forward bend, and here right leg must be your back leg Asva Sanchalanasana, horse riding posture. And after that, back leg straight and back leg be on the toes and knee up and forward leg join to back leg Dandasana. Then very slowly press your body completely down. Ashta Anga Namaskarasana or Sasta Anga Namaskarasana. And lift the chin up and tilt your body, lift the body up like a lifted head cobra posture. And from there, both the legs straight on the toes and completely push your body down inside Parvatasana. And right leg must be your forward leg Asva Sanchalanasana, and back leg straight and back leg join to forward leg Padahastasana. And very slowly lift your both the arms and body up, Hasta Uttanasana, and very slowly keep your palms together and join at your chest. And Anahata Pranamasana, take a long deep inhalation, exhalation. After that lift your both the arms up and very slowly wide your arms and very slowly keep your arms down and relaxation. Especially in the yoga practices as well as in the Ayurveda practices, we have hydrotherapy called Ushapana Chikitsa. Early morning after your wake up, like if you will drink 1 liter or like at least 3 to 4 glasses of warm water or hot water with honey or without honey, that will also helpful for the people who are suffering from this phlegm issues. But the Ushapana Chikitsa is for all. It will develop good positive changes inside. Okay, coming to the next important segment called Pavana Mukta Asana Sreni or Sukshma Yoga Vyayam. It is also for all, not only for the people who are having sinusitis. So try to sit properly in any comfortable posture on any comfortable surface. Okay, so here take again long deep inhalation, exhalation. Last week we saw like a till head exercises in same Sukshma Yoga Vyayam. Today we are seeing somewhat related to hands, all simple exercises for the arms. And take a long, deep, slow inhalation, exhalation. Alright, here try to lift your shoulders up, then very slowly come back and completely pull down. And slowly push up and very slowly pull down. Last count, completely lift the shoulders up till your earlobes, then very slowly keep them down, relaxation, long deep inhalation, exhalation. So the same exercises called rotational part of the shoulder muscle, lift your shoulders up, then very slowly come back. Then inhalation, lift the shoulders up, exhalation, come back. Inhalation, lift the shoulders and exhalation, come back. Opposite side, inhalation, lift the shoulders, exhalation down. Second count, lift the shoulders, exhalation down. Last count, lift the shoulders up, then very slowly exhalations down. Take again long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Okay, this is actually, especially the Monday exercises may be related to beginners also. They can easily follow today's exercises. Alright, coming to the next portion, elbows. Now just try to lift your right arm up, fold your right arm on the shoulder, then very slowly inhalation, open the arm. Second count, keep your palm and arm on the shoulder and slowly come back. Last count, breathe out and breathe in and relaxation, enough, come back. Opposite side, same thing, open the hand, turn the palm, fold your elbow with breathe out and breathe in, stretch. Again slowly breathe out and breathe in, slowly stretch. Last count, breathe out, fold and completely breathe in and stretch and relaxation, enough. Long deep inhalation and exhalation. The next exercise called open your two arms at a time, turn your palms up and with breathe out, fold your elbows. Then this time wide your shoulders and elbows, wide your chest. Then slowly come back, keep your elbows together in front of the chest. Then very slowly open and wide with inhalation. With very slowly breathe out, keep them together inside. Then last count, completely wide and stretch. Then very slowly keep them together in front of the chest. Then relaxation, enough, come back. Once, rest your breath, rest your arms and take a long deep inhalation and exhalation. Right, here the same exercise, elbow rotations and shoulder movement. Open the arms and turn the palms up and fold your both the arms with breathe out. Breathe in, lift your shoulders and breathe out, down. Breathe in, inhalation and very slowly exhalation, down. Inhalation, lift your elbows and slowly exhalation, down. Same thing, opposite side, inhalation, lift your elbows and exhalation, down. Second count, inhalation, lift your elbows and exhalation, down. Third, last count, inhalation, lift your elbows and exhalation, very slowly keep your palms and arms wide and slowly keep them turned down, relaxation. Take a long, deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. So this Pavana Mukta Asana Sreni or Sukshma Yoga Vyayam, also called as somewhat warm up for the actually postures. Okay, coming to the next exercise is called palm rotations. Now open your right hand forward, then try to keep your all the fingers down, turn your all the fingers towards the floor or towards your abdomen. Few seconds stay, Then very slowly keep them up and few seconds stretch up. Then from there keep them down. Then very slowly wide and open, lift it up. Now very slowly contract them inside. Then very slowly inhalation out. Then slowly come back. Opposite side, same thing. Keep your all the fingers completely down and completely lift it up. Then exhalation down, inhalation up. Exhalation down, inhalation and up. Then very slowly relaxation. Take again long pause here. Open your right arm forward. So this time open your right arm up and turn your all the fingers towards right side out. From there turn them down. So here with your alternate hand support, stretch your all the fingers. Now try to put it on the floor or on your leg or on your thigh. For a while, few seconds stay and observe that your forearm stretching. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and very slowly relaxation. So rest your arm, then very slowly keep your palm down. Again take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So whenever you are feeling cramps or unevenness, immediately withdraw the practices. Then give a small gap, add small like a drink small sip of water, and after that again rejoin the practices. Open your remaining arm forward and lift your palm up, turn your palm outside and hold your palm with your right arm. Once stretch and try to put it on the floor, easy, or on the leg, also easy, and or on the thigh. For a while stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relaxation. Enough. Come back. Again simply fold your arm. Relaxation. Take long, deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. The next exercise is fist rotation, and try to open your both the hands forward. Close your fingers. Now very slowly open and stretch. Close your fingers and very slowly open and stretch. Last count, close your finger and close your fist. Rotation part of the fist. Inhalation, lift, exhalation, down. Inhalation, lift, exhalation, down. Last count, inhalation and very slowly exhalation. Opposite side, inhalation up, exhalation down. Second count up, exhalation down. Third, last count, inhalation and exhalation. Very slowly keep your hand down. Take again long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Okay, next exercise called for the same arms, shoulder stretching. Now just lift your right arm up and fold it behind the head. With your alternate hand support, try to hold your above elbow, right elbow. Now try to pull the shoulder behind the head. Once stretch your total armpit region to lattice region, then very slowly release. Again, second count, completely stretch and release. Last count, completely stretch and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly open your arm and very slowly keep your arm down. Release the posture, relaxation. Again, long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Opposite side, same thing. Open your arm, lift your arm up and fold it properly behind the head. With your remaining arm support, catch your above elbow point. Now try to pull your elbow and shoulder behind the head and slowly come back. Here, while pulling the arm, no need to bend the body. Okay, now just pull the arm, then slowly come back. Last count, pull the arm and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly open your arm and wide your arm, release and relaxation. Long and deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So here, lift your both the arms in front of your chest or head, interlock your fingers and completely turn your palms out and completely give a stretch and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relaxation. Long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Last practices of this today's session. Open your right arm forward, catch your right elbow with your left hand towards your left side. Once pull the hand, completely give a stretch from your shoulder region to elbow region and as your at your tricep muscle also. Few seconds stay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly relaxation. Long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Opposite side, same thing. Open your left hand forward, catch your left elbow with your right arm and give a stretch and stay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Relaxation. Enough. Keep your arm turned straight and take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Okay, after finishing your physical exercises, physical yoga part, please give a small time for your the breathing exercises. Meanwhile, you can drink sip of water also. So that's also actually required, drinking water, but small amounts, not a glass of water. Okay, before pranayam, long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. So if you want change your posture, you can change your posture once. Completely relax your legs, relax your hips. And okay, take a long, deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. So try to sit in any comfortable posture on the chair or any surface. Okay, and now coming to the pranayam sloka and pranayam mantra. Om Kesavaya Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha, Om Narayanaya Swaha, Om Adya Samadhi Tatpala Siddhyardham Asana Purvakan Pranayamadin Karishye. Om Sant Sant Santihi. So as we know that in yoga, postures and pranayamas and mudras, bandhas, kriyas. So there are different variations in the yoga. So for especially sinusitis, the way how you are doing a posture is very important. So like for every posture there are many kind of benefits, but the way how you are doing is important. It depend on your teacher and depend on your practices also. As we know that in pranayam, the practices called Bhastrika is the king of the pranayamas, also very good in the management of sinusitis. But please remember, we have one kriya also called Sutra Neti and Jala Neti. So we have separate equipment also for that. In coming days, we will show how can we do that Sutra Neti and Jala Neti. But in the pranayam, it's a depend on your physical fitness, depend on your mental condition also. This pranayamas will work on the people. Like it will work very slow. Actually, please remember, pranayamas will work very slow. Do not expect more results or fast results from the pranayam. So that today's exercises on the Anulom Vilom pranayam and Surya Bhedana pranayam only. So we are not giving Kapalabhati because many people having headaches in sinusitis issues. Many people having headaches. When they will do Kapalabhati, somewhat they may chance to get headaches also. So that we are not giving Kapalabhati section in this week. In this week we are doing just 1 or 2, 3 pranayamas only, which will be very beneficial to the people who are having this kind of nose blocking and running nose as well as headaches. So first thing is Anuloma Viloma pranayam. So very simple exercise. Keep your position straight and take a long deep inhalation, exhalation. Come to your pranayama mudra, called one way of hand position. Open your right hand, last 2 fingers and right hand thumb, and here close your left nostril with your last 2 fingers of the right hand. So inhalation with the right nostril. Then very slowly completely breathe out from the left nostril. On the way, inhalation with the left nostril and completely slowly breathe out with the right nostril. Again inhalation with the right nostril and completely slowly breathe out with the left nostril. Inhalation with the left nostril and completely slowly breathe out with the right nostril. Alright, Anulom Vilom pranayam, simple alternative breathe in and breathe out. After finishing that, few seconds relaxation. Then after that again practice Surya Bhedana pranayam. Surya Bhedana pranayam is our regular pranayam. So this is what we call Vata Doshagnam Krimi Dosha Hrut Punaha Punaha Ridam Karyam. So it was saying that internal wind issues also be nullified, as well as it will check the errors in the Kapala. Kapala Sodhana means it will check the errors in the especially facial organs and the inside the brain also. coming to the actual practices here, right nostril inhalation, then very slowly left nostril breathe out. Again, right nostril breathe in and left nostril breathe out. Right nostril breathe in, left nostril breathe out. Right nostril breathe in and slowly left nostril breathe out. Last inhalation, right nostril breathing in and slowly, completely left nostril breathing out. Then slowly keep your hands down. Long and deep, slow inhalation after finishing your practices. Again, keep small time for your meditation and mantra chanting. Then after that, at least 10 minutes time, have your proper rest after practicing yoga schedule. In the afternoon, before your lunch, at least do half an hour time for your power nap. In the evening, after finishing your works, at least give half an hour time or 15 minutes time to do this same exercises, or you can choose any of our previous exercises also. But yoga exercises must be like one back bending required in the evening practices, one back bending required, and one inverted posture also required. Especially in management of phlegm related disorders and sinus. So do not take sweets, avoid sweets for a long time. As well as don't take coconut, don't take banana, don't take raw material, don't take raw foods, don't take raw nuts also. It is somewhat, it will create allergy, it will create sneezes, further it will create the sinusitis issues. And tomorrow at the same time we are meeting with the separate schedule with the Ayurveda, sinusitis for the Ayurveda, yoga also, like we have good practices for the people who are having sinusitis. So thanking you all to giving me this valuable opportunity. Stay away from the bad habits and do yoga also. Thank you.